Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be my first of two into just getting started in Inventor, some basic sketching, just so you students can get familiar with everything. One thing I did want to point out, if you're looking at your screen and it looks something like what I've got here, you may be missing what's called the primitives, if you remember those from AutoCAD. If you're ever missing anything from one of these panels, just come over to like here where it says create and right click and go to show panels where you can see that my aren't checked off, and this is where you can kind of uh, modify the way things look and kind of set it to your own thing. If you're using insert or plastic parts but not patterns or work features, then you can take them off so you can kind of adjust it and set it to your own liking. I clicked on that and there's the primitives there. But I'm going to start with a 2D sketch. And as you can see, it wants me to pick a plane. There's three planes to pick from. I'm just going to go ahead and take this one down here. And, you've got the tools up here, but you can also right click. All I did was right click on the mouse and you get some extra things that can save you having to go up here. And again, remember that these are specific to what you're in. I'm in sketching. As you can see, I'd have to exit. So I'm in sketching. So this is what is set up for me. So, I can do create a line. Let's just do a 2-point rectangle. And I'm going to click here, click there. Okay, and I'm just going to finish this sketch because I want to show you some other things. If I go to start another sketch, again it's asking for the different planes. Now I'm exiting out of that because I want to show you something. If you go and say I want to extrude this, and I will have a video on extrude, but I'm just wanting to show you something here. Uh, if I do this and close it down, here's my check mark right here. If I want to go and do another start 2D sketch, as you notice, those three planes don't come up. I need to pick an object. It knows there's an object in here. So I actually have to pick which of the planes, either here, here, or here. We'll just pick here. That becomes my working plane. I do a circle, and let's just say I finished that sketch. We'll see it's on that plane. If I go back to do start a 2D sketch and I pick here, that makes that my plane. And then I finish the sketch. So as you can see, these things are, you can use this object when you're dealing with the planes. Now I'm going to back up here a little bit just so I can kind of get us back to the beginning. Uh, so when you go to do a sketch, when you start this 2D sketch, and we'll just pick this plane, as you notice, it sets you up in like a 2D because that's what you're working in right now, and you have different things that you can use. You can use line. Um, if I wanted to use line like that, and I just hit escape, then if I want to use fillet, I can give it a radius. We'll just use that one. Um, and I'll pick this line and pick this line, and there it's created a fillet for me. It's actually put a dimension on it. So these are the things that has extra features to it. I hit finish sketch, and there I'm done with that. During this course, I'm not going to be so particular about the dimensions here. I'm just going to click on that, and let's see if it will let me. I was hoping it would let me delete that while I was highlighting it, but I will worry about that later on. So, some of these commands, when I start 2D sketch, since I don't have a hard plane, it's letting me pick these again. And let's just say I pick down here. Then again, I can do my lines. You've got splines, equation curves, bridge curves. You've got your typical circle, center point, tangent. You got your ellipse. So you don't have as many options as maybe other softwares will have, like AutoCAD, because again, this is geared more for 3D than to 2D. You have some of your other typical ones up here. You got copy, move, rotate, extend, trim. Obviously, I'm not going to go into all of those. I will do a quick video kind of running over all these, but I'm hoping that people that are watching these videos have some experience with AutoCAD or another software to understand this basic sketching. But remember that anytime you start a sketch, you have to finish it. Here it is right up here. Uh, you have to select that to get you out of that. Just like in any other softwares, you've got to end the command. And when you're in sketching like this, you need to stop that. You come over here, and I can highlight the different things that I've sketched. Here's sketch 4, which is green. Sketch 3. Uh, and these are, of course, if I just want to select on it here, it shows me the different pieces of it. So that concludes this first video on sketching. Just wanted to get you started, and that ends this video. Thank you.